Okay, here is a look at how to do the docs number 8, which is about putting links in a Google Doc. All right, so I'm going to use period 5 on my Google Classroom. I'll just use period 5 as my example. It works the same for period 1. So I'll go period 5, classwork, and this is on the Monday assignment for week 3. Week 3, Monday, it's about links. So we'll go here. There is a help page available if you want to take a look at it. I'm going to demonstrate the things that I think you need to know in this movie, so I'll go back. And here is a Google Doc that is linked up on the Monday assignment for docs number 8. So I'm going to click that, and when you click it, it will make a copy for you and put your name at the top left-hand side. It doesn't do that for me, so I'm going to click File and make a copy. And I'll make a copy of my original so that I do not mess up my original. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got going on here. There are some paragraphs like this. First one is labeled Custom Masks. And it says masks are a big thing all of a sudden. We all have to wear them. So, of course, many companies are giving you the opportunity to custom design your own mask. There are lots of choices out there. Don't want to wear the same mask as everyone else. Want to express yourself through your face covering. Start designing. And now all of the paragraphs work this way. Look, it says to find out more about, all of them work that way. And it comes up and says, like on this one, it says to find out more about custom designed masks. All right. So what we're going to do is I'm going to hop up here and open a new tab on Google Chrome. Just click a new tab. And that's exactly, if I hop back to that document, that's exactly what I want to search for. I'll get it out in a minute. So I'm going to right click on that. Oops, sorry. I'm going to select that and I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to copy it, right? You could, you can go do a Google search for custom design mask. You could type it in. But I'm going to go ahead and copy that text to find out more about what? Custom designed mask. All right, so I open my new tab. I go here and I'm going to paste that in, custom design mask, and I'll press enter. And I get a whole bunch of possibilities here. All right, and on this assignment, it's not going to matter to me which one of these links you use. It doesn't really matter. I'll just see one here that's at vistaprint.com, so I'll just click that. And it comes up with, this is a place where you could custom design a mask. All right, cool. So now what I want to do is go up here to the address bar and take this link that's in the address bar. And I'm going to copy that, which you can do with right click. Oops, get that selected. You can do that with a right click copy, or use your keyboard shortcut, Control C, and that will copy it as well. All right, so I'm going to copy that address. I'm going to go back to my Google Doc here, and now here's how we finish this off. Right here where it says, to find out more about custom design mask, click here. Now what I want to do is select this text that says click here. I'm going to drag over that. And on the toolbar up at the top, there is this insert link button. It looks like a little piece of chain. All right. Now there's also a keyboard shortcut. It's Control K. You can use that as well. But I'm just going to click the button, and it says, okay, let's paste your link in here. So I could do Control V to paste, or I could right click and paste. So I've got the link pasted in there, and I'm going to click apply. Now, if you look at it, this click here text just turned into a hyperlink. It's blue, it's underlined, and if I click right here, it even shows that it's going to go to this site about custom face mask. And it worked. Cool. All right, so let's go back, and I'm going to do another one in the demo movie here, and then, hopefully you'll be kind of off and running. Let's go down here and do Taylor Swift. Remember, all of them work this way. To find out more about pizza in Plainfield. To find out more about Taylor Swift. To find out more about the NTT Data IndyCar Series. Right? There's a little paragraph about some topic, and if you scroll it on down, you'll see escape rooms and the Milk and Honey Bakery and horse boarding in Hendricks County. What if you have a horse? and you want some place to keep it, a stable to keep your horse in, or the Indianapolis Zoo to find out more about the Indianapolis Zoo, right? They all have a topic, every one of them. Let's do Taylor Swift. All right, so this is a paragraph about her new album called Folklore that came out on July 24th. Okay, so it says to find out more about Taylor Swift. All righty, so let's go there and let's copy Taylor Swift. All right, I'm going to copy that. And again, I'll just open up a new tab. Let me pull this new tab over here. Whoops, next to my document. And I'm going to paste that in. Right click, paste, boom. And I'm just searching. It's just a Google search for Taylor Swift. Let's see what we find. And you'll find all kinds. There's her official website right here, Taylor Swift Home. That's her official website. There's a Wikipedia page about Taylor Swift. It's not going to matter to me which one of these you pick. You know, you just find one and pick it. I'll go with the Wikipedia page. I'll just click on this link that is for the Wikipedia page. And here we are. We're on the Wikipedia page about Taylor Swift. So I'm going to take the address up at the top in the address bar. I'm going to copy that address. Go back to my document, and on the Taylor Swift paragraph, I want to select the text that says click here, because I want that text to turn into a hyperlink that will take me to information about Taylor Swift. I've got the text selected. I'm going to go to the little link button up here on the toolbar. I'm going to paste the link in here. I'll do a right click and paste, and there is the Wikipedia Taylor Swift. It's all in there. I'll hit apply. The click here text has now been turned into a hyperlink that is blue and underlined, and if I click on that, it goes to that page. That is exactly what we're trying to do today. All right, so you have several paragraphs to work on, and on every one of them to find out more about, excuse me. So this would be, you'd search for pizza in Plainfield. You might want to do Plainfield, Indiana. To find out more about the NTT Data IndyCar Series, to find out more about escape rooms in Indianapolis. So you could just copy that text, open a new tab in your Chrome browser, paste it in, search for that, find a link, right? Find one that has something to do with escape rooms in Indianapolis. Copy that address, come back here, select the text, use the old link button, right? I'm going to just hit escape to get out of that. Okay, so that's it. You're going to work on turning all these click here's into links that match up with the paragraph. All right, happy linking. Make sure you turn it in when you're all done. Off you go.